What's the meaning of camera operator? Camera operator. Camera operator.
Camera operator. Camera operator. A camera operator is a professional responsible for capturing video footage using a camera. They may work in a variety of settings, such as film or television production, news broadcasting, or live event coverage. Camera operators are skilled in understanding the technical aspects of their equipment, including lighting, lenses, and framing, to ensure high-quality shots. They collaborate with directors and other production staff to achieve the desired visual style and mood for a project. Ultimately, the camera operator plays a critical role in creating visually engaging content that captures the attention of audiences.